Hello kids, welcome to maths class. In this class, we are going to start a new topic, put the sign. Let's see. Hello kids. Oh my god, who is following me? Kids, today we are going to learn about the three signs. Let's see. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than, less than, equal to. Now count the four boxes. Left side, four boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left side, four boxes are there. And right side, 10 boxes are there. So, which sign is going to come in between? Greater than or lesser than or equal to? Yes, greater than sign. No, you all are wrong. This is wrong. Oh my god, what you have done? Because the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number, not the small number. So this is wrong. Now crocodile is going to turn the face towards the bigger number. And which number is big? 4 or 10? Yes, 10. So, the crocodile will eat 10 number. Okay. Now, we can say 4 is less than 10. 4 is less than 10. Now, 8 boxes are there and here right side 6 boxes are there. So you all have put this sign of lesser than. No, wrong. Yes, now you all are correct. Crocodile mouth opens towards the bigger number and we read it as 8 is greater than 6. 8 is greater than 6. You all made crocodile happy. Now use of greater than and less than to compare numbers. When we compare numbers, we are telling about their sizes. Now 3 is greater than 1, 2 is less than 9. So we can show this by signs. You know, in maths there are many signs, plus, minus, okay, but now we are going to study about greater than and less than. This sign is of greater than. This sign is of greater than. One value will be written on left side and other on right. Now I have written 4 and 2. So we can say 4 is greater than 2. See, show me your 4 fingers and 2. 4 are more and 2 is less. Now this sign is less than. This sign is called less than. 5 is less than 10. But you will ask, how can I tell those signs apart? How we find difference between the two? Let me tell you the difference between signs. Understand the sign from left side to right side. Okay. So this sign is of greater than. See, the open side has 2 black points and the closed side has 1 point. Okay. So 2 and 1. If I write 2 and 1, 2 is bigger, greater. So the open 2 points comes to the bigger number. Okay. And the closed 1 point comes to the lesser number. Okay. Now, this is lesser than. 1 point to the lesser point and 2 points to the greater number. 1 is less than 2. 5 is less than 10. Now, 2 and 8. Which sign will come? Tell me. Greater than or less than? Yes, very good. 2 open dots you have put. Very nice. 2 is less than 8. 2 is less than 8. Very good. Good job. Now, 11 and 7. Which sign will come? Very good. You have put 2 dots. I think you are using dots to make 2 slanting lines. Very good. 11 is greater than 7. Good job. Now 3 and 8. Yes, you all are very intelligent. 3 is less than 8. Kids, today we are going to learn about the 3 signs. Okay, what are those? First is like this, one slanting line and one more slanting line. Okay, one sign is this, and this sign is called greater than. This sign is called greater than. Okay, and now see, I am showing you 3 points on this sign. Okay, now you just see 3 points on this sign. Okay, point number 1, see this. Okay, 1 point. Okay, you do this activity with ice cream sticks also. Join 2 ice cream sticks in a slanting. 1 point is this, the other point is this, 2 points. Okay, so always remember these 2 points. These 2 points always faces towards the bigger number. If you see 2 points, then here bigger number will come. And this top point is 1, only 1. This side 1 point, here 2 points. So if 1 point is there, here comes the lesser number. Okay, and if 2 points are there, here comes the bigger number. Now we will do it with example. This sign is called greater than sign. This sign is greater than. Okay, this sign is called greater than. Now we can write here, I am writing 4. Okay, and here I am writing 2. Is it okay better? See, 4 and 2. Which number is bigger? Which number is greater? 4. So 2 points of this sign faces 4. Always you have to see, if bigger number is there, 2 points should be there. And 1 point to the lesser number, small number. Okay, and this is resembling to whom? Can you tell me? Yes, this sign is just like crocodile. This is crocodile, and crocodile is opening the mouth like this. Crocodile, this is crocodile. See, this is crocodile, and crocodile is opening the mouth to eat the fish like this. See, this sign is just like that. Crocodile is opening the mouth. So this crocodile opens the mouth to eat the bigger fish, not the small. Crocodile doesn't like the small fish. Okay, it likes bigger fish. So always crocodile opens the mouth where bigger number is there. You can learn by this. Crocodile wants to eat bigger fish, and a small fish, no. So always crocodile opens the mouth to catch the bigger fish. Okay, so this is the mouth of the crocodile. Okay, so like fish, here comes the bigger number. You learn, you remember by this trick that crocodile always opens the mouth to eat the bigger number. Okay, to eat the bigger. These signs which we are going to study, they are for comparing the numbers. Comparing by their sizes, which is big, which is small, which is greater than, which is lesser than. Okay, so this sign, now you all understood, this sign is called greater than. And the open part, इस sign का जो ये open part है 2 points, ये हमेशा bigger number की तरफ है. And closed part जो 1 point है वो small number की तरफ है. Okay, and crocodile always eat the bigger. Now see, if bigger fish is here, okay, if bigger fish is this side, this is bigger fish, okay, and here is very small fish, so crocodile will open the mouth like this? No, crocodile doesn't want to eat the small fish. Then crocodile turn the face, crocodile turn the face like this and open the mouth for eating. So, how crocodile will eat? Now, the crocodile turn the face like this. Okay, and eat the bigger fish. This is bigger fish. Okay, now so this sign is called lesser than. This sign is called lesser than. This is greater than and this is lesser than. Now you can check 2 points, open points are towards the bigger number and one close point is towards the smaller number. Okay, now we will do with this with example. Okay, now I am writing here 12. Okay, and I am writing here 32. Okay, now you tell me which sign will come, greater than or lesser than. First you have to see the number and read the number aloud. This number is 12. This number is 32. Now you have to find out which is bigger number. 12 is big or 32 is big. 12 comes in 11 line. Okay, after 1 to 10 it comes. So it is small number. And 32 comes in 30 series. So definitely 32 is big and 12 is small. So crocodile will eat the bigger number 32. Then crocodile will open the mouth like this for eating the bigger number. Or we can say 12 is lesser than 32. 12 is lesser than 32. How we say this? Say loudly everyone with ma'am. 12 is lesser than. This sign is called, the name of this sign is lesser than. Okay, so you say 12 is lesser than 32. Okay, now I am giving one for you all. Now you tell me. 76. Okay, and here 46. Now you tell me which sign will come, greater than or lesser than. Which number is this? 76. Which number is this? 76. And which number is this? 46. Now tell me which sign will come. Crocodile will eat the bigger number. Bigger number is 76. So which sign will come? Like this. Greater than. Now read 76 is greater than 46. Correct. And you can check 2 points towards bigger number and 1 point towards lesser number. 2 points open face comes to bigger number and 1 close side to the lesser number. Okay, and you know this we can understand with scissor also. How scissor cuts? Like this. So if scissor opens this side, it means there is big number, and if scissor opens this side like this, then it means here is the bigger number. Now I hope now you all have understood. Now one more sign is there, and that sign is called equal to. This sign is like 2 sleeping lions. 2 sleeping lions. And this sign shows that both the number are same, equal. Both the number are same, equal. Now see, I am telling you with example. 80. See, if both are same, then equal to. The sign is called equal to. How you will read? 80 is equal to 80. 80 is equal to 80. Okay, understood everyone? Now you can do all the sums. Now see, one more I am telling you. Here I am taking 41 and here I am taking 14. Now some children, they get confused. How they will confuse? 41, 1 4 and 1 4. No beta, you have to see the number very carefully. This number will be read as 41 and this number will be read as 14 only. So 14 is lesser number and this is 41. There is difference between the two. So you should carefully see both the numbers, read the numbers aloud, then only you can put the sign. Now which sign will come? 41 is bigger, so greater than. 41 is greater than 14. 41 is greater than 14. Okay. Open page number 39 of your maths book, and our topic is concept of greater than, more than. Greater than is also known as more than. Now read this. 7 is more than 4. 7 is more than 4. It's true. It is written as 7 is greater than 4. So which sign is this? This is the sign of greater than. The open part faces the bigger number and the closed part faces the smaller number. See, open part towards 7 and closed parts towards 4. So how we read it? 7 is greater than 4. This sign is for greater than. We read it as 7 is greater than 4. Okay? Understood? Now see the picture. There are juice glasses. How many are there? We are going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8 glasses are there, but in this box it is written 7. So this is wrong. So we have to correct it and make this 7, 8. Okay, correct it. 7, there are 8 glasses, but the author has written wrong 7. Or you can overwrite it, do overwriting, or you can do one more thing, cut that and write 8 here. Cut this and write 8 here. Okay, this just do like this. Okay, and write 8 here. Okay, now this is the sign of what? Greater than. This is the sign of greater than or more than. And now count the juices here. 1, 2, 3, 4 juices are there. So which number is more? 8 or 4? Tell me, which number is more? I want answer from you all. 8. 8 is the greatest number. 8 number is more than 4. Okay. So we have put sign like this. And how we will write it? 8 is greater than 4. Like this. Okay. 8 is greater than 4. Understood? Now count the chairs. How many chairs are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many chairs? 4. So write in this box 4. Written 4. Okay, 4 chairs are there. Now this side how many chairs are there? 1 and 2. 2 only. Write 2 here. Okay. So which number is more? 4 is more. Tell me, 4 is more or 2 is more? Tell me, 4 is more. Which number is more? 4. So we have to put the sign like this. 4 chairs here, here 2 chairs. So now we can say 4 is greater than 2. And how we will write? We have to write in this. Right here, 4 is greater than 2. Write like this, as ma'am has written. Okay, write like this. 4 is greater than 2. Now come to the next picture. Okay, there are pullovers. So how many pullovers are there in this picture? 1, 2 and 3. Write in the square box 3. Okay, and this side, oh, only 1 is there. Write 1. Now which is more? 3 is more or 1? Tell me. Yes, 3 is more. So we have to put the sign like this. Open side to the greatest number and the closed side to the lowest number, smallest number, lesser number. Okay. So 3 is greater than 1. How we will write like this expression? 3 is greater than 1. Okay, beta? 3 is greater than 1. Now, oh, there are cute puppies. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many puppies are there? 5. So write in the box 5. Okay, write in the box 5. And this side, how many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3. So write in the box 3. Okay. Now which is more? This box contains more puppies or this? Yes, this, because there are 5. 5 is more. So we have to put again the sign of greater than. 5 is greater than 3. So write this expression here. 5 is greater than 3. Okay? Done. 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3. Here 3 is greater than 1. Here 4 is greater than 2. Here 8 is greater than 4. So this page is finished. Do it properly in the book. Okay, like this. Okay, open page number 40 of your book. Which page number? 40. Page number 40 of your book. And now our topic is what? Concept of smaller than. Concept of smaller than. Less than. Smaller than means less than. Concept of smaller than or lesser than. Okay. Now read it. 3 is less than 4. 3 is less than 4. Understood? 3 is less. 4 is more. It is written as 3 is lesser than 4. Now see, the sign is what? Ulta now. Why? Because greatest number is this side. So the always I told you the open part of the sign faces to bigger number, greater number. So 4 is greater. That's why this sign comes like this, and this sign is called lesser than. So how we read? 3 is lesser than 4. We read it as 3 is lesser than 4. 3 is lesser than 4. Now count the fish. How many fish are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 is written. And how many are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which is more and which is less? 3 is less, 4 is more. So which sign will come here in between? Lesser than. Now we read it. 3 is lesser than 4. And in this form we have to write in the expression form 3 is lesser than 4. Now count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cups are there? 5. Write in the box 5. This side how many cups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 cups. Write here 7. Write properly 7. Okay. Here 7. Okay. 7 cups are. Now tell me which sign will come here? Greater than or lesser than? Yes, lesser than, because here only 5 and here 7. Here are greater number. Here is greatest number, more number of cups. So this sign should be open. And here lesser number. So the closed part will come. So write the expression. How we will write? 5 is lesser than 7. Write down. 5 is lesser than 7. Now count the butterflies. 1, 2, 3. 3 cute butterflies. And what about this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 butterflies are here. Now tell me which sign will come in between? Greater than? No, lesser than. Because the more number of butterflies is here only. Okay. Here are only 3 and here are 4. So lesser than. And we read it 3 is lesser than 4. Write this in expression. 3 is lesser than 4. Okay. How we read it? 3 is lesser than 4. Now count the cycles, bicycles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 bicycles are there. Now there are many. My God, count it fast. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bicycles are there. So write down 8 bicycles. Okay. Here are 4. Here 8. Which sign will come? Yes, lesser than. Okay, open to the greatest number. Close pointed part to the lesser number. 4 and 8. Which is greater? 8. So write the expression 4 is less than 8. Always you should say loudly about this sign. Otherwise this sign will not ready to talk to you. Should say loudly. 4 is lesser than 8. Then this sign becomes happy. Okay. 4 is lesser than 8. 3 is lesser than 4. 5 is lesser than 7. 3 is lesser than 4. Okay. So do it in the book. Understood? Lesser than, concept of smaller than and lesser than. Okay. Kids, take out page number 41 of your maths book. Page number 41. Okay, page number 41. Now, come to the topic. Concept of equal to. Concept of equal to means the two things both are same in number. Now see, 3 is equal to 3. 3 is equal to 3. It is written as 3 equal to 3. Okay, 3 is equal to 3. And read as 3 is equal to 3. How we read it? 3 is equal to 3 is equal to 3. This sign is of equal to. Now count the stars. 1, 2, 3. 1 green star, 2 pink star and 3 orange star. How many stars are there? 3 stars. How many stars are there? 3 stars. And how many stars are here? 1, 2, 3. Same. So 3 here, 3 here. So how we write it? How we write the expression? 3 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. Both are same. So this sign equal to sign will come. So here 3, here 3. So put the sign in between equal to. This sign is called equal to. When we use this sign, when both the numbers are same, both the sides the number are equal, same, then we use equal to. Okay. Now count the soup bowls. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So write down in the box 5. Written? Now we will count this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bowls this side. So write 5 here. Here 5. Here also 5. Both the sides. What happened? Both the sides. The soup bowls are same in number. Here 5 and that side also 5. So which sign will come in between? Equal to. And how we write the expression? 5 equal to 5. Equal, same. 5 equal to 5. How we read this? 5 equal to 5. You should know this sign is of equal to. When you see this sign, say equal to. Okay. 5 equal to 5. Now count the mats. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many mats are there? 4. Write down here 4. Okay. And this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Same 4. So write down 4. Which sign will come in between? Equal to. And write the expression. How you will write? 4 equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. Now here how many ducks are there? 1 and 2. So write 2 here. Okay. Here how many ducks? 1, 2. Same 2. So which sign comes in between? Equal to. And how we write the expression? 2 equal to 2. Okay. So we have done. Understood? Now read it. 3 equal to 3. 3 equal to 3. 5 equal to 5. 4 equal to 4. and 2 equal to 2. Okay, so this is the concept of equal to. Okay, kids, open page number 42 of your maths book. Now we are going to do the activity. Less than, this sign is of which? Less than, lesser than. Greater than, this sign is of greater than or equal to, and these two sleeping lines, one over and another, they are this sign is equal to. Okay, so now read the question. Compare the following. So we have to compare which is greater, which is smaller, or which is equal. Here which number is this? 2. This number 9. Now 2 is greater than 9 or lesser than. 2 is greater than or lesser than. 2 is big or 9 is big? 9 is big. So 2 is less. So we have to put the sign lesser than. It means this open side comes faces to the bigger number and this pointed closed side faces the smaller number. So we have to put the sign of lesser than, and how we read it? 2 is lesser than 9. Kids, you know, some children, they don't read the question, and what they do? They just copy this sign in all the sums. Like this. They will do like this. Like this, like this. See, I am doing wrong. Like this, like this. Oh, first one is like this, so we have to fill it like this. But beta, this is completely wrong. Completely wrong. You have to read each and every number, then only put the sign. Now read which number is this? 4. Which number is this? 1. So 4 is bigger than 1 or smaller than 1? Bigger than 1. Okay, because it comes after 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 comes in at first place and 4 comes after. So definitely 4 is greater than 1, bigger number than 1. Okay, so which sign will come? Greater than, and you read it. 4 is greater than 1. Open part to the bigger number, closed pointed tip to the lesser one. Okay, now read this number. Which number is this? 3. If you see, if you put this sign here, then your sum will be wrong. So take care. 3 less number and 8 big number. Okay, 3 is lesser, 8 is greater. So you have to put which sign? This sign. Okay, 3 is lesser than 8. Say loudly, 3 is lesser than 8. Lesser than, come hai 8. Okay, 5 and 7. 5 is lesser, 7 is greater, bigger number. So which sign will come? Lesser than. Open side, check by this open side to the bigger number, pointed tip close to the smaller. Now read this. 5 is lesser than 7. Now 9 and 6. 9 is bigger than 6 or smaller? Tell me. Yes, 9 is greater. 9 comes afterwards. 6. Okay, after 6. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 comes after 3 numbers after 6. So 9 is big number, 6 is small number. So which sign will come? Yes, like this. 9 is greater than 6. Say loudly, 9 is greater than 6. Now 7 and 0, you all know 0 is very small, nothing. So which sign will come? 7 is greater than 0. 7 is greater than 0. Here is it, here is it. Both the number are same. So which sign I should put? Very good. Equal to. Same number. Equal to. This is very easy. If both the sides same number, put the sign of equal to. Equal to. Brother and sister both get toffees equal in number. So equal to. Okay. Now this is 4 and this is 9. 4 is bigger or lesser than 9? Yes, 4 is lesser number. 9 is big number. So which sign will come? This is open side to the bigger number. And read it. How you read it? 4 is lesser than 9. This is lesser than sign. And this one is greater than. 6 and 3. 6 is greater or lesser than 3? 6 is big, 3 is small. So like this, 6 is greater than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Now very easy. Now you will tell the answer. 1 and 1, both the sides, same number. Tell me what comes in between. Yes, equal to. Same number. This is easy. Okay guys, this is very easy, we all are enjoying doing the same numbers, right? Now 0, 1. Oh, 0 is very small. So like this, 0 is lesser than 1. 0 is lesser than 1. And 5 and 2. 5 is big number, 2 is very small. So greater than. 5 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 2. Our first line is completed. Our first line is completed. Okay? Done? Everyone? Now come to this is blue line. Now we are going to do pink line. Now again, don't do that mistake. This sign is not going to come in all. You have to read the number. See, 12 and 11. Which is the bigger number? 12. So 12 is greater than 11. Now 11 and 9. Which one is greater? 11 or 9? 9. 11. 9 is small. 9 is less. 11 is more. So 11 is greater than 9. 11 is greater than 9. 8 and 18. 8 is very less. 18 is big. So open face towards 18. And how you will read? 8 is lesser than 18. 8 is lesser than 18. 8 छोटा है 18. 8 is lesser than 18. 19 and 9. Which is greater number? Yes, 19, 11th series number. So greater than. 19 is greater than 9. 9 is very small. Now 16 and 19. Both are 11th series member, but 16 comes first. So this is small and this is big number. So which sign will come? This. Lesser than. 16 is lesser than 19. You check like this. Open mouth always faces the bigger number. Okay. Now 13 and 8. 13 is lesser than 8 or greater than 8? Greater than. 13 is greater than 8. Now 12 and 15. 12 is less than 15. So 12 is less than 15. 14 and 19. Again 14 comes first in 11. See, 19 comes afterwards. So definitely 19 is the greater number. So we have to put the sign of lesser number. 14 is lesser than 19. Now 17 and 12. 17 is greater number. So this sign greater than. 17 is greater than 12. 15 and 11. Again 15 is greater. So the sign of greater than. 15 is greater than 11. 19, 19, same number, equal to, okay? 20 and 10, which is greater? 20. So, sign of greater than. 20 is greater than 10. So, we have done the middle line. Check it properly. Check the sign properly, okay, beta? Now come to third line. 21, 21 equal to 13, 13 equal to. Here also I put equal to. No, because here is 15 and here is 52. This is small, this is greater. So which sign will come here? Lesser than. 15 is lesser than 52. 52 is big number, 50 series. 17 and 11. 17 is greater than 11. 17 is greater than 11. 17 is greater than 11. 11, 11, same number. Put the sign of equal to. 16 and 19. 16 is very less than 19. So, 16 is lesser than 19. Now, 23 and 14. 23 is greater number. 23 is greater than 14. 29 and 15. This is 20 series. This is 11. This is less. This is great. So greater than. 29 is greater than 15. Now 6 and 16. 6 is very small, cutie. 16 is bigger number. So like this. 6 is lesser than 16. 6 is lesser than 16. Now 9 and 10. Yes, 10 comes after 9. So definitely 10 is big, 9 is small. Again lesser than. 9 is lesser than 10. 14, 14. Very good. Put sign of equal to. 15, 11. Greater number is 15. So sign of greater number. 15 is greater than 11. So we have finished the third column also. Check it properly. Okay, check it. Kids, open page number 43. Now again the same topic is there. Less than, greater than or equal to. We have to put the sign. Now read the heading. Compare the two numbers and put the sign of, which sign is this? Greater than. Very good. Which sign is this? Lesser than. Which sign is this? Equal to. So we have to put these three signs, greater than, lesser than, equal to, in these. Now between these numbers we have to compare which is greater, which is lesser. Okay. So this is greater than and this sign is lesser than. Now do 21, 23. 21, 23. Which is greater? 23. So sign of lesser than. 21 is less than 23. Okay. Now 35, 25. Which number is big? 35. So greater than. 35 is greater than 25. 42, 43. Which number is bigger? 43. So lesser than. 42 is lesser than 43. 23, 23. You all know, very easy. Equal to 37, 27. No, they are not same. Here 30 series number, here 20 series. 30 series comes afterwards. So then this is the biggest number, greatest number. So put the sign of greater. 37 is greater than 27. 33 and 24. 30 series definitely, again greater than. 33 is greater than 24. 41 and 36, which is greater number? 41. So 41 is greater than 36. 28 and 25. Again 28 is big number. 28 is greater than 25. 26, 29. Which number is big? 29. So this is less. So put the sign of lesser. 26 is lesser than 29. Now 40, 37. 40 is greater number. 40 is greater than 37. Now 32 and 38. Which is greater? 38. This is lesser. So put the sign of lesser than. 32 is less than. 32 is less than 38. 44 and 41. Greater 44. So greater than. 44 is greater than 41. This is lesser than. This is greater. So first line of page number 43 we have done. So check it properly. Now come to second line. 46, 46. Both the number are equal. Equal to 50, 48. Which is greater? 50. 50 is greater than 48. 51, 51. Equal to 51, 51 equal to 52 and 53. Which is greater? 53. And this is lesser. So sign of lesser than. 52 is lesser than 53. 56, 59. 56 is less. And 59 is great. So lesser than. 56 is lesser than 59. 63 and 58. This number is greater. This is lesser. So 63 is greater than 58. 63 is greater. So sign of greater than. 45 and 56. Which number is lesser? This is lesser and this is greater. So sign of lesser than. This number is lesser. At first place lesser number. So sign of lesser than. 45 is lesser than 56. 60, 52. This number is greater than. 60 is greater than 52. 42 and 61. Which number? This is less and this number greater. So this is lesser. So the sign of lesser. 42 is lesser than 61. Now 49 and 47. 49 is greater than 47. 49 is greater than 47. 49 is greater than 47. Now 51 and 60. 51 is lesser than 60. 51 is lesser than 60. And now last number 65 and 61. So 65 is greater than 61. Okay? Understood? So do the middle line. Middle line is completed. Okay? Middle line is completed. Now come to the last line. 88 and 82. Which number is greater? 88. So 88 is greater than 82. 68, 68, very easy, equal to, 68 is equal to 68. 85 and 84. 85 is greater than 84. 85 greater number, 84 lesser. 72 and 89. 72 is less than 89. 72 is small, 89 big number. So the sign of lesser. 72 is lesser than 89. 94 and 99. 94 is lesser than 99. 75, 74. 75 is greater than 74. 87, 97. 87 lesser number. 87 is less than 97. 80, 82. 82 is big, 80 is less, so less than. 80 is lesser than 82. 95, 97. 95 small number, so again lesser than. 95 is lesser than 97. 81 and 88. 81 is lesser than 88. This is small number, this is big number, so 81 is lesser than 88. 77 and 68. 77 is greater than 68. 77 is greater than 68. And 86 and 66. So, which number is greater? 86 or 66? 86. So, 86 is greater than 66. 86 is greater than 86. So, now we have finished all the 3 lines. So kindly complete it. Okay. So kids, now you all have understood what is greater than, lesser than and equals to. Keep